Hey, this is Gabriel with the Painter Inc. again. Just want to do a real quick video on the extension cords and how we wrap them up. Obviously, you can see here, this is a completely wrapped up extension cord. You have the plug-in end hanging out here, and the area that will receive your whatever type of power tool or whatever you're doing, the sprayer goes right in here. Very simple. It's got a handle here and another place. This little thing slides like this, so you can hold it and you twist, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So very easy. You can you only have to use exactly whatever you need. So you just pull it out here, just like this. See how I'm holding the center in here? It's going to make it really easy for you. You pull out, if you need all of it, it's 100 foot of hose, or 100 foot of cord. So go ahead and do all 100 foot, and then pull it out like this. And then that area obviously stays right there. You can pull this off and plug this in wherever you need to. Now, when you're winding it up, is the real reason why I wanted to do a video on this. You're going to want to put this in here. You want to make sure that it's on the down side. So when you're looking at it on the video here, make sure it's facing you, but it's facing down. And if you can leave a little bit of extra cord like this, I'll show you what that'll help with in the future. So leave it a little bit like this, or maybe a little bit more, maybe a foot or so out. And then what I do is I stick it, what you should do, stick it in between, because it needs to be nice and tight in here. So stick it in between my legs. That way I can keep it nice and tight. And I'll wrap this around here. And then all you got to do is turn. And you can see it's just piling up inside of there. And you're probably thinking to yourself, why do you still have this out there? I'll show you what that is in a second. But this is allowing it, by keeping it between my legs, it's allowing it to keep it nice and taut while I wind it up. So very easily, just holding it and then just twist. You obviously don't want to hold it too tight with your legs, or you're not going to be able to get it out. Your objective is to just keep it where it's not really loose inside of the coil here. Just wrap it up, wrap it up. Very simple process here. Don't let it get tangled like that. If you see it tangle, just retry. Go again, keep it nice and taut. And then your end, you'll take this and you'll just slide it into one of these here. Like this, so I can get it in there. Now, the reason why I have this end here is because if you don't need the 100 foot of cord, you can pull out just what you need, and you can take this and you just plug this right into the wall. And then you don't have to uncoil the entire thing. But you can only do that if you have enough of this left out from when you first started to do it. But that's the simple way on how to do that. These will be equipped on every vehicle, and you'll have your 100 foot extension cord. This will be hanging on some type of shelving.